Hello, today I'm going to show you how to create a new asset in 3 simple steps with a multi-sig wallet with My Algo Asset Manager. First, go to the top left of your wallet and select the Asset Manager. Enter your password and you will be inside the Asset Manager. Notice how the Asset Manager also reflects your current registered wallets on this browser. Make sure you select your multi-sig wallet and hit Create Asset. Second, let's add a name for our asset, a unit name, the total supply, let's say 10 million, and how many decimals we're going to operate with. We can also add a URL for our asset and a metadata hash. In the advanced options, we can change the reserve address, the manager, freeze, and clawback addresses. You will learn more about this in future tutorials. For now, we're going to let the default options. Also, you can change the asset status from unfrozen to frozen. If you select frozen, just remember that you will later on need to grant access to others to operate with your asset. Let's leave it unfrozen for now. You can also add a note. Okay, let's create our asset. Review the information and make sure it's correct. And then, just sign your transaction. Since this is a multi-sig wallet, we're going to have a pending action and wait for our co-signers to sign the transaction. Once our transaction is pending our co-signer signature, it will reflect and we will be able to create our new asset. Let's just wait a few seconds for our co-signers to sign the transaction, and once it registers in the blockchain, it will appear as completed. And there you have it. You can see the detail and you have created your own asset. Congratulations!